how to build your link in bio webpage. Log in to your domains.co.za account. On the client dashboard, click on the Manage Services drop-down menu and select Link in Bio. Click on Build Page. The Link in Bio add-on will open and you can start building your page. Click Select your template and choose one that suits your needs. For this example, we are using the 4 images template. When you scroll over the build preview, each element will display a pencil icon. Click on this icon to edit the element. The element properties will display on the right, where you can change the outer background and background colors and add a header logo or image. Click the update button to apply your changes. Edit the profile image element, add an image, and set the background and border colors by either using the color picker or the hex codes. Edit the text block with your name and title or your business name and byline. Next are the social links to customize as required. You can add and delete the icons to suit your needs. Easily add a card image by dropping your image into the element box and selecting the background color. The button elements displayed as online stores and About Me can be edited or deleted as needed. Change the background color, button font color, add a standard link or expandable info as required. You can add other button elements by clicking the Add New button or the Add Contact Details and add the information you want. In our example, we have created a button linked to our online store URL. Next, complete section number 3, add SEO details. This includes SEO title, SEO description, and keywords. There are character limitations for the title and description. Stick to between 50 to 60 characters for the title and between 150 to 160 characters for the description. Note, add your focus keyword in the title and description. Do not use additional keywords as this will be detrimental to your rankings. Click Publish and then the Publish button in the pop-up window. Click the Yes Publish button. Your link in bio will be live immediately and the published link will be displayed. We suggest that you review your online link in bio page by clicking on the link. Should you need to edit it, then do so under Manage Link in Bio from your client dashboard. Publish again to upload the edits. It's that easy. Domains.co.za. It all starts with a domain name.